Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ka high level committee ke Bthah ke sarkar dang kendiat sengi menta. Ban pen krea ya kejing pen krea ya kejai ben riau harijan na pot them yo maulong. Kalapan stat ya kejing pen krea batang mata kateo kelasong jelang hadu arsien. Kentop ya kejelang ka balalong henne kasngi ka pratrik ujeleo. Kejelang henne kasngi. Hapo kejing penyat dau syong kenor jong kene ke kenhon ubak prestun tensong. Ubalong ru sembuat menteri rang ba kejela kejelang kelarai ban Bthah ya ketnat Directorate of Land Record and Survey jong ke sarkar jela ban pelong marmari kejing Jurip ke babenia ba ya ke Jaka hapo harijan koloni kentop ya ke Jaka ke bahap hapo ke Shillong Municipal Board berkemjoru ke Jaka ke bahap syaka hima meliam bat ya kini ketnat la aipor ban pendap ya kini kejing Jurip hapo ke Shiposngi nadu ke sngi bakani ketnat kelayo ya ke City halor kini kejing Bthah na ketnat Urban Affairs.
Now ultimately, we decided to again ask the Directorate of Land Record and Survey to immediately conduct a detailed survey of that area.
Of land record and survey?
Land record, Directorate of Land Record and Survey. And we have already directed them to undertake a detailed land survey. Because as I've already told you, this land in question, some part it belongs to municipal, and then some parts it belongs to the same of the land. Okay. So once that is done, once we get the detailed surveyed map, the Directorate of Land and Record will send it to us. Then again, we will sit down and the next course of action will be done. An agreement made between the municipal board, Shillong Municipal Board, and the same of Mulim was made in the year 1954, and till today they don't have a proper detailed map with the municipal board, or maybe with this aim also they don't have, even with the district council. That's why we have asked them this time from the Directorate of Land Record and Survey to undertake the detailed survey immediately, and we have given it time for 10 days. After that, we will again meet up and take further course of action.
Kajing temuhi ke baka Shillong Municipal Board kala syem ya kini ke Jaka na ke hima meliam kalong ban pensa sipo di kinong tray jong kini ketnan ki badai ki jai ben reu harijan komba kalong pat menta ki basang basa hagan ke Jaka ki dai ru ki batrai haka kerdan grade 4 bat ki bapun khoi ru hakitnat sarkar baper komta kajing keliru kalong balik se kan khamsok ya ke sarkar ban Bthah ya kitnat baper bakin ano da ki quarter ya kita kinong tray kat kum kitnat baki tray.
Inventarization is still on. Okay, so ultimately once we get all the actual numbers, and then whether they working with forest department or with PUD or with any department concerned, then that again we will take a call. We will discuss, and then we will accordingly recommend to the government that those genuine settlers, meaning the government employees, they should be accommodated in their respective places. But that, as I said to you, I don't say whether we have that type of people or not. Still, I don't know, because inventarization is still on.